Are you tired of cluttered kitchens and endless cooking steps? The Instant Pot Duo Plus is here to revolutionize your meal prep and simplify your life. This incredible 9-in-1 pressure cooker replaces a multitude of appliances, acting as a slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté pan, and more. Imagine freeing up counter space and mastering diverse cooking methods with just one device. It's truly a game changer for any home chef. With 15 smart, customizable programs, cooking perfect meals like soups, stews, grains, and even cakes is literally at your fingertips. No more guessing or complicated recipes. Simply select your program and let the Instant Pot do the hard work, ensuring consistent, delicious results every time. Plus, the durable stainless steel inner pot means easy cleanup and a healthier cooking surface compared to non-stick alternatives. What sets the Duo Plus apart is its seamless blend of versatility, precision, and user-friendly design, making advanced cooking accessible to everyone. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen and simplify your life, find the link to purchase your Instant Pot Duo Plus on Amazon in the description below. For anyone searching for the best kitchen appliance for 2025, or an efficient all-in-one cooker, this is the smart investment you've been waiting for. I wholeheartedly recommend the Instant Pot Duo Plus. It's an essential tool that will transform how you cook forever.